Hi everyone, I am Shahan Layek. Welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I will be talking about a food war, that is kimchi. Kimchi is actually a food which is based on South Korea. I will teach details about this. What is kimchi war and what is the plague causing bacteria that is actually detected in kimchi. So I will discuss everything. Before that, let me teach you one thing. The first important thing is this one, that is this is the China. So this is China and this is South Korea. This is South Korea. So there is a difference between them, there is sea between them, and there is constant exporting and importing of food items between them. So basically from China, a food that is reported to export, that is known as kimchi. Now what is kimchi? What is this food item? Let us learn about it. Kimchi is actually a product which is formed with the help of vegetables. So basically it contains, what does kimchi contains? It contains cabbage, it contains fermented vegetables. So you have probably watched the cover picture, that is, this is actually made up of the fermented vegetables. You can remember the curd, which is also in our country that we use curd. So in curd we have the fermented bacteria. In the same way, this contains the fermentation process and it contains cabbage and other vegetables. This kimchi is actually used as a staple food. It is a staple food in South Korea. So in South Korea, this is a staple food and it is also taken along with soup and other food items. So this is kimchi. Okay, kimchi is a food items which is made up of cabbage and other fermented vegetables. It is generally found in South Korea. It is a staple food of South Korea. It is all generally taken with soup and other food items as a supplementary. Now let us learn about the bacteria that causes plague. You know, the plague bacteria that cause the plague is the Yersinia pestis. You know this, you have learned about it, Yersinia pestis. Now Yersinia pestis is the bacteria that cause plague, Now from this Yersinia family, we have Yersinia enterocolitica. Now this one, enterocolitica, this bacteria, Yersinia enterocolitica, that is actually causing the food poisoning. So what are the symptoms that generally we can get? Basically this bacteria is found in this kimchi food items. When it is exported from China to South Korea, this kimchi is exported from China to South Korea, we get a bacteria is detected, and this bacteria is Yersinia enterocolitica, and because of this bacteria, the people in South Korea, they are getting some symptoms, and these symptoms are fever, abdominal pain. So all this fever and abdominal pain they are getting. Sometimes these symptoms are often confused with the appendicitis. Some people think that they are having appendicitis, or sometimes people think they are having the bloody diarrhea. So actually this is not diarrhea or this is not appendicitis. We have to understand this is actually the food poisoning that is caused by that specific kind of bacteria that cause the plague, that is now causing the food poisoning. So we have to think about it, which is very important nowadays. And based on this kimchi food item, there is a war that is going on between the two countries. One is the China, another is the South Korea. So this is known as the kimchi war. So what is kimchi war? Kimchi war is a war in which both the countries, China and South Korea, they are claiming the origin of kimchi. They both are claiming that kimchi has been originated here, but actually generally it is actually a kind of Korean food. It is a kind of Korean food. Kimchi is a kind of Korean food, and the process by which kimchi is produced is known as kimjang. Kimjang is the process. It is the process by which this dish is prepared. And what about the how this bacteria was actually detected? Basically, when the food generally came from China to South Korea, there's always a custom. There is always a custom. Custom means, what does custom means? Custom means it is a food checking. It is a checking of all the food. So the food are tested. They are checked if before the food is delivered to the public. So before it goes to the public places, before it goes to the shops, the government of the South Korea, they do some customs, that is the food checking, and in the custom they have found out this bacteria in the kimchi. So they have understood that this is the bacteria which is known as Yersinia enterocolitica, and that is causing the problem, that is causing some kind of food poisoning. So various people are coming with Yersiniosis. This is known as Yersiniosis. Yersiniosis is the food poisoning. Yersiniosis is the specific kind of food poisoning which is generally found in the food items, and especially in the kimchi. So another thing, let me tell you another thing, that is a viral video. About a viral video, there was a viral video which was viral from a cabbage processing plant, in China. So this cabbage processing plant is in China. This is a viral video. Basically, a viral video was there from China, where it was shown about a cabbage processing plant. So what was there in the cabbage processing plant? It was shown that a huge colored swimming pool like a pool is there, and in that pool different cabbages are being dipped in, and the cabbage is changing its color. So in this way they are creating through different pools, they are creating different colors of cabbage. Like this is a blue pool, they are creating blue cabbage. This is a red pool, they are creating red cabbage. So in this way, through different colored water pools, they are creating different colors of cabbage, which is surely harmful. So this was a viral video from a cabbage processing plant in China, and this viral video was also been checked by South Korea, and public became very much scared about it. And after that, the custom processings in South Korea, they actually checked the food items which has been imported from the Beijing, and they checked that they got some bacteria in that fermented cabbage in kimchi. So actually they decided that they will further check this, and in future they will actually check more. They will have more checkings to those food items which has been imported from Beijing. So this is the thing that is going on, that is a kimchi war between the China and the South Korea, and a bacteria causing plague that is generally detected in kimchi, and it can spread to the public. So we need to be aware of this. So that's why I made this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make a thumbs up and subscribe our channel, those who are new to my channel, and please write down in the comment section below if you like the informations of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.